New details tonight in the shooting of 3 gas station employees from this summer. Emmanuel McAlpine and Waquez Ludgood appearing in court today for a preliminary hearing just this morning. All right, Aisha Staples was at that hearing. She's now in the newsroom with the very latest. And Aisha, tell us about the evidence that was presented.
Well, Byron and Lanise, Corporal Josh Coleman with MPD read Facebook messages in court today. And according to Coleman in the DA's office, the messages are a big piece of evidence that puts both McAlpine and Ludgood together committing these heinous crimes. Emmanuel McAlpine and Jaquez Ludgood appeared in court together this morning. They're accused in the violent robbery at a Chevron gas station on Sage Avenue in July. Mobile Police Corporal Josh Coleman testified about the night 3 employees were shot in the head at point-blank range.
They were severely injured, all of them critically. After they were shot, they're just not ever going to be the same again. Any evidence that law enforcement can find is always very helpful. We want to get down to what the truth is, and evidence points us toward what happened. According
to Assistant District Attorney Keith Blackwood, that evidence was this surveillance video that clearly captured all 3 shootings and robbery. Also presented in court, a message thread from Facebook between McAlpine and Ludgood talking about, quote, scoping out the gas station a day before the crimes were committed.
You heard testimony about the communications between the 2 defendants on Facebook. This was clearly a robbery that turned into a shooting.
I don't know how I feel one way or another. I see that there are many gaps that still need to be investigated, but I just have to wait and see.
Chase Dearman is representing McAlpine in this case. He says after today's testimony, he's just waiting for all facts to be presented. Meantime, both men remain in jail until a grand jury hears the case. Now, McAlpine is charged with 3 counts of attempted murder and robbery. The judge set his bond for $100,000 in each of the 4 cases. But it's important to note McAlpine is being held without bond while the court considers a motion to revoke bond in another case. That hearing is scheduled for November 14th. As for Ludgood, he's charged with robbery and he's being held on a $75,000 bond. Live in the newsroom, I'm Aisha Staples, Fox 10 News.
Okay, Aisha, thank you. And this is a story we first told you about with our breaking news push notification. Be sure to download the free Fox 10 News app so you don't miss any news or weather alerts.